Let's draw a super cute dog face. It's really easy. First, draw a nice round shape, just like a simple circle. Now draw a straight line in the middle. At the top, draw a small oval. That's the dog's nose. Now add 2 soft curves. This makes a cute smiling mouth. Great! Add tiny dots on the cheeks. Super cute! Now draw small rounded ears on top. Start with the inside. Next, complete the head shape. Keep it smooth and round. Now draw big floppy ears on both sides. Nice and curved. Awesome! Let's start coloring. Use bright orange or any color you like. And done! Your cute dog is ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun drawings.